Never in my 86 years of teaching have I ever had a class this bad. Never, not once. In 86 years, I've never had a class this bad. Not once. All my other classes, they are 20 chapters ahead of you guys. 20 chapters ahead. Why is that? Why is that? Mason, why is that? Guys, we need to lock in. Your behavior is completely unacceptable. Like I said, never in my 86 years of teaching have I ever had a class that has misbehaved this much. Never, not once. Can we reel it in? For me? Do it for me. If you guys want to goof off and lollygag around, that's on you. That's on you. You're only hurting yourselves. All right? Because like I said, all my other classes are 20 chapters ahead of you guys. 20 chapters. That's how much you guys are misbehaving. 20 chapters worth. Guys, midterms are next week. We don't have time to be lollygagging around. We don't have time to be lollygagging around.